Hello everyone, in this session we are going to discuss about the system testing, and black book testing comes under the system testing. Here actual tester will involve in this type of testing. Some people will be manual tester as well as some for the automation testing based on upon their skill test. And black book testing, we don't know the internal logic of the code. We are doing only the testing without knowing the code. And if there's like manual, as we discussed in the black book testing, some people are manual testers and some are the automation tester based upon their skill set. And first we will discuss in the system testing what will do the manual tester. First, they understand the requirements. When we will clearly understand the requirement, then it will increase the quality of the test cases, and these test cases will able to find more defects. Like if we are clear about the requirement, then we are proceeding with the testing. We can find more number of requirements as per our test cases. Once we understand the requirement, then we will need to write our test cases. Test cases means we need to perform the step-by-step action into the application, and we need to verify the expected as well as the actual result. Mainly, we need to verify the behavior of the application according to the customer requirement, and then after executing the test cases, writing the test cases, we need to proceed with the execute the test cases. Then we need to find the defects and report them to the developer. Need to participate in different review meetings. These things will be done by the manual tester. If you are the automation testers, then you need to perform the certain activities like writing the automation script, execute the automation script, generate the report, prepare some status report, and then send to the manager. As these things are done by the automation tester, as a testing, we do lots of type of a testing. This type of testing further divide into the functional and non-functional testing. In the functional testing, we have to do the error handling testing, link testing, cookies testing, database testing. These type of testings comes under the functional testing. As also for the non-functional testing, we do the performance testing, stress testing, recovery testing, security testing. All comes under the non-functional testing. So as a system tester, as a black box testing, we have to perform the lot of testing, and it will take lot of time to do this kind of testing. And for proceeding with this type of testing, we have to proper documents, and These are the activities we need to perform before proceeding with the system testing. And in the next session, we will going to discuss about the functional and non-functional testing in a descriptive way. Thank you.